How is a sectional screw manufactured? A sectional screw is manufactured by mounting or welding sectional flights to a center pipe. Sectional flights are cut from flat plate on a CNC burn table, then formed to achieve a helical shape of consistent thickness. Starting at one end of the center pipe, a sectional flight is mounted on the pipe and secured with a tack weld. Each successive flight is mounted on the pipe, butted together with the previous flight and tack welded in place. Once the welder reaches the opposite end of the center pipe, the excess flight is cut flush with the end. The pitch of the flights is verified to meet SEMA tolerances. Flights are then welded together using butt welds on both sides. The flights are then welded to the center pipe with either stitch welds or continuous welds on one or both sides of the flight. After completing the welding process, the screw is drilled on both ends for SEMA standard 2 or 3 bolt couplings. The final steps are to clean up and remove weld spatter, straighten the screw to industry tolerances, and paint the screw with industrial gray enamel paint. KWS sectional screws are manufactured to Conveyor Equipment Manufacturers Association standard dimensions and tolerances.